My name is Marc Ayotte, and I'm the head of college at Hillfield Strathallan College in Hamilton, Ontario. We're a co-ed school from age 18 months to 18 years. The solar panels for us was part of a broader theme of environmental sustainability. That's part of our strategic plan. It's been a real big focus of the school for a number of years, but we've made a real commitment in the last few years to try and show some leadership at a school level in terms of our environmental initiatives. And so solar is a huge piece of our commitment to reducing our greenhouse gases by 2030. The investment that we've made in the capital, we think through the savings through electricity is going to be paid off in 7 or 8 years. My advice for anybody that's considering solar as part of their environmental initiatives is that it can be a bit daunting to think about the capital outlay off the top. So you can't think about it just in terms of a financial perspective. You can't think about it just in terms of savings. A big piece for us was how much the students were going to learn through this process. And we're really excited to be able to use some of the data from the savings and be able to watch in real time, even with cloud cover and things like that, how it impacts and how students can use that data in their science classes and their math classes. So for us, it's not just the environmental piece, which is obviously big, it's the educational piece that we're really most excited about. We do a lot of project-based learning at HSC, particularly in the middle school, and a lot of that is about getting kids actively engaged in authentic learning, particularly in the area of environmental issues. In terms of the impact that this is going to have on the college, we're very committed to climate action. We've been one of the few independent schools in Ontario to sign on to a climate action pledge. And so this investment for us is a major step towards achieving those goals and establishing ourselves as a leader in this area. Working with VCT Group on this has been a really great partnership from the get-go. The way that this partnership started with us is that we had a student group that was researching all the different available companies that might help us explore solar on a much smaller scale. And then having conversations with VCT Group, we realized that it would be possible and more impactful to have a broader look at our solar panel array, given the amount of rooftops that we have. And so they were great, and they understood that this wasn't just about cost savings for us, that the educational piece was really important. And so the VCT Group actually came to a board meeting, and they were explicitly sharing how their data and the learning could be woven into our curriculum. And so that was a big selling point for our board in terms of making the financial commitment. What I'm excited about is that this is going to be an ongoing relationship. I don't think we don't look at it as like a one and done, the panels are up and that's it. We feel like they'll be very responsive in terms of us if we're asking how we can use particular data sets or if there's any issues moving forward. We feel like that they're invested in the success of this project with us at HSC.